Uploading files and folders to GitHub can be challenging sometimes. So today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload files from your computer to GitHub in a repository. I'm Kadesha, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. One of the first ways you can upload a file or folder to GitHub is to use the GitHub UI. The first thing you need to do is create a new repository. Select an owner, give the repo a name, add a description, select whether you want the repo to be public or private, initialize with the README, and hit the Create Repo button. Now you're going to click on the plus button here and click Upload Files. Select Choose Your Files and select your project files to upload. Once that's uploaded, you can add a commit message or just leave the default message and hit the green Commit Changes button. This is a great way to quickly upload small files to GitHub, but there is another way to upload larger files, folders, and projects. Let's create another repository to upload a project with multiple files to GitHub. This time, we're going to create an empty bare bones repository. So click on the Create Repo button, then we're going to enter a project name, a description, and nothing else. Once we select Create Repository, we'll see a list of instructions and Git commands to run in our terminal right here. Let's follow these instructions to push our files to GitHub. On your local machine, open up your terminal and cd into the project folder that you want to upload. I need to go into the Python games folder, and the first thing I'm going to do is run git init. Let's also add a README with a quick little description. Run touch readme.md, and then add a quick description to the file. Now let's keep following the steps that GitHub provided. The next command is git add period to add all my files to the staging, and then run git commit-m initial commit to commit my files. If I run git status, I can see that these files are ready to be pushed to the remote repository. Let's keep going. So let's run git branch-m main to set the main branch, and then run git remote add origin so we can point to our local repository on our laptop to the remote repository on GitHub. This is essentially telling Git, hey, this is where I want you to put these files. Once we do that, we can run the final command git push-u origin main, and this will send all our files to GitHub. Let's go back to the repo and refresh the page, and there we go. We just uploaded our files to GitHub. Now, if you already initialized Git in your project on your machine, and you just want to upload it to a remote repository, the steps would be the same, except you wouldn't need to run git init. There you have it. You now know how to upload your local files to a remote repository on GitHub. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have further questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. And until next time, happy coding!